Looking for the best professional grade barbecue grills? Here's our top 4 brands to consider in 2019. Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances. A visit to our store is well worth your time, where you can experience firsthand the latest in outdoor grills and appliances while saving money with our exclusive offerings. As one of New Jersey's largest retailers of grills, our customers often ask us for recommendations on what models to consider. With well over 200 models to choose from, we've narrowed it down to take a closer look at 4 Pro-style gas grills so you can select the best one to suit your needs. For most customers, we recommend LYNX Professional Grills as our top pick. LYNX has become the most popular manufacturer of professional-grade grills, and for good reason. LYNX grills allow anyone to become a backyard grill master with minimal effort. Their grills are synonymous with restaurant-grade heat output. This is achieved with their infrared burners, which give you instant control over temperature, reaching a searing hot 1,000 degrees at the grill surface in just over 60 seconds. Unlike other grills with infrared burners, these same burners have the flexibility to cook delicate items like fish all the way down to a surface temperature of 300 degrees. Another reason for LYNX's popularity is their huge selection of outdoor cabinets and appliances, making it easy to design a full outdoor kitchen. When it comes to design, all LYNX professional grills use 14-gauge 304 stainless steel, which in addition to looking beautiful, has a high resistance to corrosion. You'll instantly feel the quality when you lift the grill hood. As an added touch of quality, even though the hood weighs 50 pounds, you can lift it effortlessly thanks to LYNX's Hood Assist spring system. You also get bright stadium lighting so you can see what you're grilling even at night. The most popular version of the LYNX professional grill lineup is their L42TRNG 42-inch grill, with 1 infrared Trident burner and 2 ceramic gas burners. It's available as a built-in grill head or freestanding on a grill cart. For an in-depth overview of LYNX grills, check out our related video in the top right corner or in the description field down below. If you're looking for a pro grill but the LYNX isn't in your budget, consider DCS. DCS has always been our go-to grill brand for customers looking for top performance at a great value. But with great value comes some sacrifice in terms of luxury features found on other competing grill models. The DCS 7 Series is a great choice if you're looking for a grill that performs great without all the bells and whistles. Unlike other competitors that have a specific searing type burner, like the LYNX we mentioned before, DCS grills are configured to allow you to sear anywhere on their grill with their standard gas burners. While they won't give you the instant control of infrared, these burners do get extremely hot for great searing. Unique to DCS is their U-shaped grill grate design that catches dripping grease and funnels it down to a grease trap in the front of the grill, helping to minimize flare-ups. Another unique feature is their easy-to-clean ceramic radiant rods that spread heat evenly. With the 7 Series, you won't get interior lighting or a fancy spring-assisted hood, however, you do get a rock-solid quality grill that will last for years. Do you want a grill with unique style? Check out HESTAN. HESTAN is one of a kind. Bold, beautiful, and unforgettable. As one of the only grills on the market that comes in a multitude of colors, its dazzling good looks and phenomenal build quality make this grill a unique and yet solid choice. Under the hood, you'll find a unique and powerful one-touch grilling system that's loaded with features. Looking for the ultimate grill? Check out KALAMAZOO. If you demand the best in quality, versatility, and performance, KALAMAZOO cannot be beat. KALAMAZOO's hybrid fire grilling system gives you 3 grills in one. You can cook with gas, charcoal, or wood. Their unique deep firebox produces perfect heat distribution and eliminates flare-ups, while their custom-cut grill grates provide maximum cooking versatility. Finally, KALAMAZOO grills have unparalleled build quality and customer support. The most popular version of this grill is their 38-inch K750HB hybrid grill. For a full, in-depth review of KALAMAZOO grills, check out our related video in the top right corner or in the description field down below. We hope this video has given you a great starting point when it comes to selecting the best grill for your home. As always, if you have any questions and you're in the New Jersey area, feel free to give us a call or stop by one of our showrooms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.